Hello everyone. So let's see one question on limits. It says let f of x is equal to mod x minus 3 by x minus 3 for x not equal to 3 and it is 0 for x is equal to 3. So we need to find the limit of f of x for right hand. The limit of the function for left hand and the limit of the function for x tends to 3. Fine. So we have this function as mod of x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 for x not equal to 3. In that case, we can split this as like if x is greater than 3, then this x minus 3 mod value will directly become x minus 3. So for x greater than 3, this f of x becomes x minus 3 by x minus 3, whereas for x less than 3, this function mod of x minus 3 is minus of x minus 3. Right? So we can clearly see that this is going to be 1 and this is going to be minus 1. Right? The function value is going to be 1 for x greater than 3 and minus 1 for x less than 3. So in that case, when we are approaching the function from the right hand, this is the right hand limit. That means x will be greater than 3. We are approaching from the right hand, and this is left hand limit. That is x will be less than 3 and of course around 3. So in that case, this function for x tends to 3 plus will become 1 for x tends to 3 plus. Right? We'll be considering this one. So this becomes 1 because it is a constant. So for a constant where x tends to 3 plus, it will remain 1. And for the left hand limit, the function value is minus 1. So it is minus 1 for x tends to 3 minus. Again, this is a constant and this will be minus 1. So this is the right hand limit, this is the left hand limit, and of course we can see that these two values are not same, right? These are different values, and in that case we can say since f of x for x tends to 3 plus is not equal to f of x for x tends to 3 minus, the limit does not exist. Right? The limit does not exist. Right? So we found the right hand limit, left hand limit, and the limit for x tends to 3 where it is not valid or it is not existing. Right?